Hi there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. I got a 2021 Jeep Renegade. Nice color, nice vehicle, nice alloy wheels, very clean. Privacy glass around the back, limited edition. We got keyless entry into the car, keyless start, and you got remote start too. Warm that baby up in the winter time. Good room back here. Floor mats. Need more room, you can take this cover off and put the seats down. Four-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. It's got a clean Carfax. It's all set up, ready to go. And it's got factory warranty left on it. Black leather, nice and clean. Actually, not bad room back here. USB plug-in. Nice sleek dash line, got a little oh no handle right there. Navigation, AM, FM, satellite, media. Of course, you can run Apple Play, Android Auto. There's your climate control for your heat and air, dual, automatic, auto shift, cup holders right down there, terrain select, cruise and radio controls and Bluetooth on the steering wheel. Power windows, door locks, mirrors. You got power driver's seat, auto headlights, analog gauges. Lots of neat things, but it's missing one thing. You know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad. Thanks for watching.